here to explain again how to get out of the rat race, how to get out of your job, quit your job, and start your own business. And eventually you start investing and become an investor. Businessman/investor. You get taxed differently. And this is how you make money and how you get out of daily grind and going to work, living paycheck to paycheck. Check this out. Two people right here making the same amount of money per month, $2,000 per month. This guy lives below his means, only pays his rent, light bill, water bill, cell phone bill, gas for his car, groceries, car insurance, health insurance, basic stuff, right? He saves $400 a month. In 1 year, he has $4,800. If he adds his income tax check to that, depending on how much he gets back, $3,000, $4,000, some people get $5,000. That's basically almost $10,000 possibly he could have at the end of the year, and could invest that. Save it, invest it, turn it into a business, and the money you make from your business, you could go into realty or stocks, or you could just jump straight into realty if that's what you want to do, or straight into stocks. Either way, there's so many options. Once you have money, it's called capital. You can also put it into the bank and then ask for a loan, and now you have even more money. You have the money you put in there plus what they gave you. All right, now we have the other guy, which is most people. $2,000 a month, same as this guy. Does the same stuff, has rent, light, water, cell phone, gas, groceries, all the same to here. But extra stuff that he's spending money on that you don't really need to live, which are just luxuries, which we don't need. Why would you want luxuries unless you're rich? Luxuries are for the rich. So become rich first, then give yourself luxuries and entertainment. Don't entertain yourself now. Now is the struggle. Now you just got to work and plan for the future. All right. So this guy's spending $200 on cable or phone or internet, $100 going out to eat, $50 on subscriptions, you know, depending if it's Netflix, Hulu, Apple Store, anything like that. You know, probably has a car payment because the person wants to drive a nice car. They don't want to just buy a little crappy car and drive to work just to get them there and buy their nice car later once they have a business. No, people mostly want satisfaction now. They want the instant satisfaction, and that's the mistake. You need to struggle now, suffer now, sacrifice now, be patient now, and then later, that's when you enjoy all the fruits of your labor. Not now. You can't get without giving. First you need to give, sacrifice, then you get. So they also have, you know, credit cards, probably in debt, you know, and then student loan also for going to college, which is another trap. If you go to college, they're just basically teaching you how to work for someone else. So you're still gonna work for someone else, and you wasted years of your life, and they only taught you what you needed to know. They controlled your knowledge. They didn't let you learn what you wanted. So what I figured out, if you want to learn something, just go on Amazon, order the damn book. You can, when you go to college, you read books anyways. They teach you everything out of a book. But this way you could choose what you want to learn. You won't get a certificate for it, but you'll have the knowledge, and knowledge is power, and you'll figure out a way how to make money, because there's millions of ways to make millions of dollars. Trust me. And then after all of this guy's $400 short every month, which means he probably has to take out a loan, probably has to go to Amscot or one of those cash advance places, which makes him more in debt. And he has zero money for saving or investing. This guy has to keep going back to work, hope that his boss gives him a raise, or try to find a better job, or go back to school, waste more money, more time, and get in more debt to try to find a job that pays him better. You see the trap here? See how you get stuck in that rat race? So the only way out, this is the only way out besides winning the lottery or having somebody just give you a business. You have to create your own way out, which is by sacrificing. Sacrifice all of this. No fun. Just tell yourself, no fun. We're not doing anything fun. You're going to live below your means. If you don't want to pay $800 rent, you can save even more money. Get a roommate. Pay half of that. Now that's $400 you're paying. Or you can move in back with your mom if you're still young enough, you know, or even if you're older, screw it, you know. So what if people make fun of you, say, hey, I'm gonna move back in with your parents or something, and work, give a little bit of money, help her out with the groceries and stuff and some of the bills, but save up all your money and do it with a purpose. After 1 year, guess how much money you would have saved up if you didn't have to pay rent for 1 year? A lot. And if you were disciplined enough to not spend that money. So here we explain a job. You have a job, all you really need is this, to live below your means and save extra money. So you pay for your housing, a roof over your head, pay for your food, insurance if you need it, your cell phone, some gas in your car, and some credit cards. But use the credit cards to build your credit. Don't use them to get into debt. Use it to put gas in your car and stuff like that, and then pay it back to zero every single month. That way the credit card company doesn't make any money off of you with the interest, and your credit goes up. And you're always having a little emergency fund kind of right there, So this right here is what most people spend their extra money on. They'll pay this, and then whatever they have left over, instead of saving it and having a plan for it to invest and start a business or make money with it, because money makes money, they'd rather keep using their time for money and going back to work. So if you spend the rest of your money on a vacation or material things like TVs, iPhone, a new car, anything that's going to entertain you that you want, that car payment, bad cable, bad gambling and going out and spending money, trying to make money, that makes money too, but you got to be lucky or be good. Going out to restaurants and bars, you don't need that right now. Wait till you're rich or till your business is making money, then you can go out and celebrate as much as you want. And Netflix subscriptions, PS4 subscriptions, Hulu, Xbox 3, whatever, HBO Go, all that stuff, There's other ways, There's websites that got the stuff for free. You guys can figure it out, trust me. But this is the way to get out of the rat race. This is how you do it right here. This is how to get out of working from paycheck to paycheck. So if you guys like this episode, I would like you guys to like the video, of course, and subscribe to my channel and get ready for some more videos. I'm going to be teaching you guys a lot of stuff on how to eventually quit your job and start another thing, which is going to make you money. And you get out of the rat race and you become a businessman, and you get out of the, the struggle, how everybody is, and you get from down here to up there where all the rich people are at. It's a secret. It's just a formula. You follow this formula, you'll get out. Doesn't matter what job you have. You could work at McDonald's or you could work at a CEO company. Doesn't matter. Either way, this is how you get out. Live below your means. Sacrifice. Don't have fun right now. Have a plan. Invest that money. Start a business. Invest the money. Money makes money. Later on, you're good. You can buy everything you want. And now your cash flow from your business will pay for your car, pay for your house, pay for everything you want. And you're not going to work for it. You hire people. They work for you. You pay the paychecks. Nobody pays you a paycheck. Get it? Well, I'm going a little too in depth, so that's for the next video. But you guys stay tuned. See you next time. Peace out.